am going to make for the first time pizza rolls. Never done them before. I saw it in Pinterest as an easy snack for kids. Well, I guess I'm going to try it to see if I like it too, because I've never had them before. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. Rinaldi pizza sauce. You guys know everything there is $1. I only got one jar. I got this one from the Dollar Tree also. I only bought one pack, but it comes with 2 pouches. And it looks like this. Don't know how many slices. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 slices. It looks like it comes in each pack. I could not find at my local supermarket the string cheese or shredded cheese. So I got this one, which I will cut in slices. And I got me some crescent rolls. I don't know how many I'm going to need for this. So, that's what we're going to make. Okay, don't kill yourself now. Okay, now you seriously gonna kill yourself playing with the scooter?
Have fun.
Oh, it's fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Kid got a scooter, and he's over here playing with it while I'm making these pizza rolls.
I'll help you. How can we do this?
It's fun.
And why are you looking?
So basically, that's the way, you roll them. I'm going to finish rolling these up.
Yeah.
So I finished them all, and I'm going to bake them for 350, maybe 10 minutes the most, I think. This is how much I could make with the 2 packets. Warming up the sauce. Make sure it's nice and warm. Can't see. Ta-da! They're done. There we go, guys. It's nice and golden brown. Looks good. Some of the cheese left on some because I wrapped some better than others. They look nice and cute. All right. Now I'm going to serve it in a foam plate. Put some dip in a cup. And we will have somebody do the first taste. Alright, so we're going to do the taste test, and I think it looks nice and cute. They came out really cute, nice and golden brown. Okay. Let's see, open one, see how it looks. Ooh, nice. That one has pepperoni or no? Yeah, it does. Nice and stringy. It's good. Are the crescents well done? Cool. There you go, guys. This is a great snacks for after school for children. Thanks for watching.